What's going on, guys? I want to talk to you guys about why exactly I decided to take this 20 SMA trade. If you go to my YouTube channel and you search 20 SMA strategy, I've got over 1,000 videos outlining it. But there's one reason why I really wanted to take today's setup using the 20 SMA, 20 simple moving average, that is, and why I decided that it was going to work out and what made me fire on this trade right off the open. Because a lot of times we don't like to take trades off the open because of the volatility, the range, you can get trapped, this, that, and the other. First things first, I've been trading this strategy for over, about 6 years consistently. I've been trading it for 3 years using futures, but a lot longer than that trading options and equities. The reason why I wanted to take this 20 SMA setup here off the open, you can see this little red arrow indicator here signifying that we got a candle to close below the 20 SMA, and it's the first 5-minute candle of the day. Now, the first reason why I wanted to take this trade, if you look to the top side, look at the previous swing highs from pre-market, we did not take them out. There was no trap, there was no pop, there was no nothing. Number two, if you look at the 200 SMA, and you look at the linear regression channel, they're both hovering right above us. So to me, that's telling me supply still sits above us until we close over those two supply zones. The pressure is down. Number three, if you look at this bottom linear regression tailed by this Bollinger Band here, and this moving average here is the 200 simple moving average. If you look at the 200 exponential moving average, 200 exponential moving average, and the Bollinger Band, we got below that as well. Now, if you notice, there's a lot of confusion and there's a lot of congestion up here, right? All of this confusion, all of these lines, all of this supply are all different moving averages. They're all levels of resistance. But if you notice, once we closed below the 20 simple moving average, and once we got below this 200 EMA, there's a lot of space down here. So when I see that, automatically my eyes, they light up, because this is an A+ setup for me. Not only are we closing below the 20 SMA, we've also taken out the bottom demand zone. We've also kind of swept the previous swing low from pre-market. This candle here also raises attention for me. It's only 37 points. Some of you guys may be thinking, well, I trade 5 mini contracts. There's no way I'm going to give up 37 points. That's fine. We can cut that in half. Let's risk 17 points, 20 points. Cut the range in half. Get into it. Put a hard stop loss. If the range is 37 points, let's just call it 40 points. Give yourself a 20-point stop loss. Look for a 20-point take profit. That's a 1-to-1. Put on 1 mini, 1 or 2 minis, and try to expand that roll. Remember, for every 5 points trading 1 mini contract, it's a $100 trade. So if you're taking 20 points, you're essentially going to be making $400 on this trade. That's a one and done type of day. And if you look at the low, 25,297, it goes all the way down to 25,258. So from 297 to 258 is a lot more than 20 points. But again, why did I take this trade? I had a lot of signals firing off telling me that the pressure off the open is down. We failed to take out pre-market high. We're staying below a 200 SMA. We're staying below the upper Bollinger Band. We're staying below the linear regression. All of these are just stacking confluences on top of each other. We just lost the 20 simple moving average. We also gave up our last demand zone. We also swept the pre-market low. A lot of signals are telling me to get short. And once we got below this 200 EMA, there was nothing in terms of demand until the bottom linear regression channel. So you should be firing 100,000% short on this trade. These are even trades where you can put on and try to pass a prop firm. These are trades where you can put on if you're funded and try to take a one and done trade. I love the one and done trades because they're trades that you can take essentially where you don't really have to try to sit there and trade all day. Right? Those one and done trades are fantastic. You don't always get these type of setups off the open, especially not with something where you can put on 20, 25 points worth of risk to try to potentially target 20, 25, 30 points worth of reward. If you guys enjoy this video, you want to trade this setup with me, join the Discord. That link's down in the description box below. If you guys want to try it out with fresh evaluations with Apex, 80% off right now, $85 lifetime activation fees. That link is down in the description box below as well. You guys can also use my discount code DAnthony, and you're going to save that 80%. Make sure you use that discount code, guys. Save yourself some bucks, and I'll see all of you guys on the next video.